the golden light of morning, they played where orchids grew, a family of shadows shining in the jungle's heart of dew. Two tiny hearts of laughter, their echoes fill the plain. Love was their only language before the storm and pain.
Then the clouds began their whisper, and thunder marked the sky. The Father stood beside them as danger drifted nigh. Through the leaves came